videos of BioAid solution. So today the specialty of today's video is I would like to introduce one more student come faculty who had visited BioAid solutions. I really appreciate the efforts because being a faculty working in some college, again dedicating the time and efforts to carry out their part of the research work, it takes too much effort to take out the time. I introduce Sangeeta, who is research scholar at Bharatiyar University and also a faculty at Vagdevi Vilas College, Department of Botany. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce her here. So here she is.
So myself Sangeeta, I am working as a faculty in Vagdevi Vilas College, Halasahalli, Bangalore. Also being a research scholar at Bharatiyar University. So it is gives me an immense pleasure to work as a faculty as well as a research scholar, but at the same time a lot of dedication of time and time effort is required. At this point of time in my research, I came up with an idea of doing a molecular characterization, that is DNA barcoding. And Shruti ma'am was, helped me immensely during this project of mine. A lot of training is required to handle the equipments, which would not be possible without a correct guidance from the right person. So I really thank Shruti ma'am for helping me out to carry out the work a more efficient manner, and for training me in handling all the equipments. And I would also suggest that this is the best place to be in to work and get trained for all kind of a lab work that you're looking out for, because I would really appreciate the efforts of Shruti ma'am, a lot of patience, no, answering to the query without any hesitation, and also giving the practical experience for us, so that we know what we are doing rightly in the procedure. So in that way, I'm really lucky to get a place where I could work with free mind and an open space, and really friendly faculty to guide me. Shruti ma'am is really a friendly faculty to work with, also to guide you in the right manner. Just look around, you could see the lab is also very well sophisticated, very well equipped lab, and you don't find any problem working with any kind of equipments, or you don't find a difficulty in finding some chemicals or equipments. Everything will be in the right place and right guidance and right way of doing things, so things fall in right track and you could complete the work also more efficiently and on time. So it was a pretty good experience, very good experience, I would say, to work with to work under the guidance of Shruti ma'am. And I also would like to come back for more of my projects here, to carry out more of my work here, and also get my students as well. I'm planning to get my students to work for certain projects here, because very free atmosphere to work with, and the main thing that is any kind of doubt you have, that you can clarify with Shruti madam. She is really helpful, and even the smallest of doubts will be cleared, your queries will be cleared without any hesitation at any time from her. So that's it, and then I would suggest all of you to come to this lab and see, and then do your kind of a projects what you're doing. It would be a better way to take up it's always suggested that you take up a research activity or a lab work where you have all kind of facilities to search for anything. So this is the best place to be in, and this is the right platform where you can work at your best, at your convenience. So thank you very much.
So those were very kind words of Sangeeta. We don't know how much BioAid Solutions deserve it, but every feedback is very important. So it acts as an important component of any effective learning. So whatever feedback our clients give, that improves the confidence, motivation to learn more, and also to upgrade ourselves in whatever skills we have, and also the activities that are going on in BioAid Solutions. It always helps us to perform better in every project with every student or a trainee. We always welcome criticism also, but a positive feedback will always motivate us, and it helps individual to understand what they did well and what they could do better in future days. So those were the experience and kind words of Sangeeta. So thank you very much. We also appreciate more and more students to get trained at BioEd Solutions and can fulfill their dream projects. Thank you.